LeetCode 206 reverse linked list. So this is very standard problem from the linked list where we are given the head of a singly linked list and we need to reverse the linked list and return the reversed list. So here we are having one linked list. We know in linked list we have different nodes. Those are connected to each other, and in the output we need to return a list which is a reversed linked list of this given example. So we will understand how to approach this problem and how to solve this. So here I have taken this example where I have taken one linked list. Here there are different nodes. So we know in linked list we have different nodes and one node contains two things. One the associated value and the other which is memory address. So here we can assume one is the associated value and A is the memory address. So in linked list we know the first node is known as the head and our last node points to the null, and first node it will contain the value and also reference to the next node. Similarly it will go for the other nodes. So here if we will try to think like we can swap these values like 1 with 5, 4 with 2. So here values will get swapped but address will remain same, so the purpose will not get solved. To reverse the linked list we need to actually reverse these connections. So this we need to reverse like that. So to do that what will happen? Our this first node should point to null because it will become our last node, and this last node will be known as head after the reversal, and this connection which was in this direction we need to break and form a new connection like this, and similarly we need to do till our all nodes. So how we will do that? We can take one pointer at this null area which we will know as previous pointer. For the first node we can take one pointer which will be a current pointer and we will move this, so it will represent the current being processed element. And on the actual next node which is currently the next node before breaking the connection, we can take a temporary pointer where we will hold this value. So what we can do, let me type it here. As I said, our previous node will be pointing to the null and current node will be the first node which was initially head here. Now we need to move these pointers till current is coming here. So here it will be nothing but something as null, and this pointer last node it should be the pointer of previous. So what we will do, we will create one loop. Here in loop we will test till our current pointer is not equal to null. So as I said, there is one temporary pointer. So what we can do, temporary is equal to current dot next, because this is current dot next, and after this what we need to do, this current dot next we need to break the connection. Currently the connection is this side. Now we need to break and take it this direction, so we can point it to the previous. Now after this what we will do, after doing this our connection direction will get changed. Then we will update our pointers. Our current will move here and previous will move here. So our previous will become current and our current will become this temporary pointer. So likewise we can move these pointer, and once it will come here this previous pointer will become a new head. So what we can do, we can return the previous which will be the new head of the reverse linked list. So by this way we will be able to reverse the linked list. Now we can see that in the LeetCode. So the approach I explained in the theoretical part, same we will follow here. We need to take node pointers. One will be previous, that will point to the null initially, and the other list node pointer will be current pointer which will be the previous head. So after this we need to take one while loop. Under that we will check till current is not equal to null. So as I said, we need to have one list node pointer as a temporary pointer which will which will hold the value of next. So after this current dot next, we can assign it to previous. So till here our connection will get reversed. Now we need to update the pointers. So previous will become current and current will move to the next, which we are holding inside the temp. So once this whole loop will get complete, our last node will become the first node and it will be known as the head. So we can return previous pointer, which will be the new head. Let me execute this program. So sample cases are getting passed. Now we need to submit it. So we can see all the cases are getting passed, and this is very optimized solution. We can see time complexity of O of n and space complexity is O of 1. So this was the iterative approach. So thank you for watching my video. And if you guys find this content useful, you can consider subscribing. Till then, keep learning, happy learning.